Hi there, folks, and welcome to the Work Solutions for this week's The Daily Rigour, issue number 285. So it was Earth Hour on Saturday there. So a global initiative, global movement to encourage people to turn off non-essential electric lights to raise awareness for a variety of things, most notably climate change. So for how many seconds did Earth Hour last? Well, there's 60 seconds in a minute and there's 60 minutes in an hour, so it will be 60 lots of 60 seconds. So altogether, it's going to be 3,600 seconds for Earth Hour. Now, on what date will it take place next year? Well, it's 363 days from the date of this newspaper, so 365 days later, bearing in mind 2023 is not a leap year. That would take us to 27th of March 2023, and if we jump back 2 days, that's going to take us to the 25th of March 2023. So if you didn't participate this year and you'd like to next year, that's the day to do it. So on to schools in England are going to be set with a new minimum week length, 32.5 hours to be precise. 14% of all schools are thought to be open fewer than 32 hours a week, so the day will change for them. Anyway, if they want to have the same start and finish time Monday to Friday and want to start school at 8:45 a.m, what time would they need to finish at? Well, we need to work out how long the school day needs to be first of all, because they've all got to be the same number of hours to start and finish at the same time. So we need to share 32.5 equally between the 5 weekdays. So a 6.5 hours or 6 hour and 30 minute school day. And if we add that on to 8:45 a.m, so if we add on 6 hours, it will take us to 2:45 p.m. If we add 30 minutes onto that, that'll come out as 3:15 p.m. Okay, so onto our entertainment story. Spotify paid 100 artists more than $5 million last year. Gave a wee bit more of a breakdown on what they paid different artists, but didn't say who they were. But what they did do is release their top 5 most streamed songs. So I wonder how many of these you managed to get to work out. So 3 times 5 is 15, which corresponds to the letter O in the alphabet. Now this is number 1 top streamed song. So this is by someone called Olivia Rodrigo. 8 divided by 2 is 4, which is D. So the most streamed song in Spotify in 2021 was Driver's License. So number 2, square root of 144 is 12, which is L. So the artist Lil Nas X. Square root of 9 is 3, which is going to be the letter C. So Call Me By Your Name is song number 2. So 100 divided by 5 is 20, which is T. So the artist is The Kid Laroi. 30 take away 11 is 19, which is S. So the song we were looking for there was Stay. So 1.5 times 10 is 15, which is O again. And again, it's Olivia Rodrigo. This time it's the square root of 49, which is 7, which is G. And the song Good For You. So 2 squared is 4, which is D, with the artist being Dua Lipa. 60 divided by 5 is 12, which is L again. And that's Levitating for song number 5. A very well done if you get anything in that tricky challenge correct. So on to our final story. The driver's law is evolving for technology. So you can now get 6 points for using a handheld device, not just for calls or communicating with someone. Sounds pretty obvious, but the law never included it before. So 12 points or more will give, within a 3-year period, will give a ban if you've held your licence for over 2 years. So what's the minimum number of offences for this to happen? Well, if you pick any of the bigger ones, then another penalty on top of that would carry you over 12, so that's 2 offences. Now what's the maximum number that you could have? Well, the smallest offence you can get is 3 points. There's 4 lots of 3 and 12, so that would be 4 offences. But nobody should be committing any offences because, of course, with driving comes great responsibility. So that's our What Solutions for this week's, folks. We hope you enjoyed solving these problems. Stay tuned for next week's edition when we're going to be looking at more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching and bye for now.